I don't know if you can see it, but right over there is the ocean. And then right here are these beautiful, vivid ranunculus.
Yes, ranunculus. Ridiculous ranunculus. So today we are at Carlsbad Flower Fields, and this is the first time we've been here. We actually come to Southern California pretty regularly because my sister and brother-in-law live here, near here. But this is a place that we've never been before, and we heard about it, and so we thought, okay, we'll check it out. And let me tell you, this is a perfect Southern California day. It's amazing. It's sunny with a cool breeze. I don't know what the temperature is, probably 68 degrees. I don't know, it's like perfect.
Yeah, what, we're a mile from the Pacific Ocean? Yeah. The last couple videos we've been taking you to some grandiose places. The Antelope Canyon, Slot Canyon Tour in Page, Arizona, Horseshoe Bend. I mean, those are amazing kind of bucket list type items that you might want to see. But this is one of those places where it's best that you check them out, but you may not hear about them until and unless you talk to people who live here. And that's where you're going to find some of these hidden gems that you'll love to be able to experience and explore, but you may not even hear about them. So that's what we want to encourage you, is to find these little places that aren't on these national maps or anything like that, and we just want you to check those out.
It's a commercial operation. It's been around since the 1930s, and I actually hadn't heard of it, even though we come down here regularly, but I think it is a pretty popular attraction here. And so it does cost. There's a fee to get in, but it's a ranunculus farm, and I'm excited to go look at the flowers, even just out here at the front. It's really pretty.
Yeah, so they've done a really good job at just making it kind of a destination for probably a lot of tourists, but I would imagine the locals come here quite often too. So we're excited to check it out. So come on with us.
Look at the head bases over there.
Okay, if you are a Chia Pet fan, this is the place for you. Okay, are we talking Chia Pets on steroids?
Yeah, it's over the top Chia art. See what I did there? Well, we're just walking along behind us. There's a succulent garden, which, we can, in Kansas, in the Midwest, we can grow succulents. I can have them in pots outside in the summertime, but in the winter it's got to come inside. But out here in Southern California, that's what it grows all the time here. The yards are covered in succulents, and this one's pretty. There is a butterfly garden behind me. We're gonna go in and check that out.
So although it is a working flower farm, they have really set this up nicely. So if you just want to come out for a nice stroll, they've got these great walking paths, and there are food booths and cafes and all kinds of different gardens to visit. There's a topiary, there's that butterfly garden, there's the chia pet garden.
The illusion garden. There's one up front we haven't been to yet.
Yeah,
Check that out on the way out.
And we haven't even been to the actual flower fields yet. I mean, just an amazing amount of things to see and just to enjoy the beautiful California weather.
Oh, we could be here a while trying to find a 4-leaf clover.
You think there are really some in there?
Yes, I do. I would assume that in about a week, this will look like that. I love ranunculus, and I've never been able to get them to grow at home. I've never had any luck with them, so this is like ranunculus envy.
Just the colors are so vivid.
Oh, there was a stray pink one and the purple ones over there. Got away from them.
That's a pretty good band name, don't you think?
The stray pink.
I don't know, Pink Stray.
Oh, pink stray. Okay. So these are nasturtium, which happen to be edible. Pansies are edible. And I didn't ask anybody here, but the fact that they're planted along here, maybe because they're supposed to be a pest deterrent. So that may be why they're planted along the border here. I don't know. It's a guess.
They even had an aviary and a poinsettia section that gives a fascinating history of how the poinsettia came to be a symbol of the Christmas season. In our next episode, we continue on our flower theme with a search for a super bloom in the California desert. Thanks for watching IC Travels, and we'll see you down the road.